The PiNetwork Open Mainnet is expected to launch sometime in the first quarter of 2025. Once the mainnet is live, the Pi coin should finally leave the enclosed ecosystem, making it fully usable and tradable in the open market. That said, no exact date has been confirmed yet, and it's worth noting that the launch has been delayed several times in the past. As of January 24, 2025, PiNetwork is in the final stages of preparing for its open mainnet launch, anticipated in the first quarter of 2025. The project has extended its grace period to January 31, 2025, to allow more users to complete the necessary Know Your Customer (KYC) verifications and migrate to the mainnet. To date, over 9 million users have successfully migrated, with 14 million completing KYC verification. PiNetwork was launched on March 14, 2019, by a team of Stanford graduates aiming to make cryptocurrency mining accessible via mobile devices. The project has grown significantly, with its application surpassing 100 million downloads and gaining substantial traction in countries like South Korea, China, Vietnam, India, Singapore, and Japan. The upcoming open mainnet launch will transition Pi coins from testnet tokens to assets with real-world value, enabling users to transfer and trade Pi coins. The development team is also focusing on building a robust ecosystem, aiming to host at least 100 decentralized applications dApps to enhance the utility of Pi coins. As the open mainnet launch approaches, it's crucial for users to complete their KYC verification and mainnet migration to fully participate in the PiNetwork ecosystem. Staying informed through official PiNetwork channels will ensure users are up to date with the latest developments and prepared for the transition. PiNetwork launch. Date. Everything you need to know about the open mainnet. Is the PiNetwork launch date just around the corner, or is it still a pie in the sky? PiNetwork launch date. Everything you need to know about the open mainnet. The PiNetwork Open Mainnet is expected to launch sometime in the first quarter of 2025. Once the mainnet is live, the Pi coin should finally leave the enclosed ecosystem, making it fully usable and tradable in the open market. That said, no exact date has been confirmed yet, and it's worth noting that the launch has been delayed several times in the past. PiNetwork launch date. Everything you need to know about the open mainnet. After being announced way back in the bygone era of pre-COVID and facing multiple delays, it seems the long-awaited launch is finally within reach. And I'm sorry, gamers. I'm not talking about GTA 6, though I know you've been waiting for that too. I'm talking about the PiNetwork launch date for its open mainnet phase. A moment many in the crypto community have been anticipating. Marketed as the first digital currency you can mine on your phone, PiNetwork's supposedly revolutionary energy-light mining method has contributed to its growing popularity and kept it firmly in the spotlight. Just take a look at its dominance on where Pi consistently tops the trending charts. But when exactly will the mainnet launch? More importantly, will the Pi coin finally hit popular exchanges like Binance, Kraken, or Uphold for trading? Let's find out. What is the PiNetwork Open Mainnet? The Open Mainnet is the final phase of the PiNetwork's development, transitioning from its testnet phase to a fully operational blockchain where Pi coins will have real-world value. This phase allows users to trade, transfer, and utilize Pi coins in a decentralized ecosystem. Features of the Open Mainnet. 1. Decentralization. The Open Mainnet represents the move to a fully decentralized blockchain system, enabling true ownership of Pi coins by its users. 2nd, Pi coin utility. Users can utilize Pi coins for transactions, goods, services, and decentralized apps, dApps, within the ecosystem.